Looking for the best dashcam on Amazon in 2026? A good dashcam can record important moments on the road, provide evidence after an accident, and give you extra peace of mind while driving or parking. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be difficult. So today, we're looking at the top 5 best dashcams on Amazon 2026, covering video quality, cameras, night vision, parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel dashcam. This is a premium-style dashcam setup that combines 3-camera recording with high-end image technology and connected features. The system can record 2160p front, 2160p rear, and 1810p interior video, giving you extensive coverage around the vehicle. One of its biggest highlights is the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, paired with HDR night vision for improved detail in difficult lighting conditions. This model also includes a 512GB memory card, providing significantly more storage capacity for 3-channel recording. Connectivity is another major strength. You get Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE, along with GPS, ADAS, and 24-hour parking mode. Pros: 4K front recording, 4K rear recording, 1080p interior camera, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, HDR night vision, 512GB memory card included, Wi-Fi 6, 4G LTE connectivity, GPS, ADAS, 24-hour parking mode, 3-channel coverage. The 70mm T800 stands out because it combines high-resolution front and rear recording, interior coverage, advanced image technology, large storage, and connected smart features. For drivers who want a more comprehensive dashcam system and are willing to pay for premium features, this is one of the strongest choices in this lineup. Number 2. 4K 3-channel dashcam. Next up, we have a 4K 3-channel dashcam that provides coverage from the front, rear, and inside of the vehicle. This is especially useful for people who want more complete coverage than a traditional 2-camera setup. The dashcam comes with a 128GB memory card and includes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, a collision sensor, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. It also features a 3.16-inch IPS display, allowing you to quickly check the camera view and recorded footage. Pros: 3-camera coverage, 4K front recording, full HD additional cameras, 128GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, collision sensor, night vision, 24-hour parking mode, 3.16-inch IPS display. For drivers who want front, rear, and interior coverage, this 3-channel dashcam is a very practical choice. It can be particularly useful for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who simply wants more complete visibility around the vehicle. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear camera records in Full HD. It uses a Starvis 2 sensor and includes features such as 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, a G sensor, and 24-hour parking mode. Another useful feature is the included 128GB memory card, which provides plenty of space for recording right out of the box. The 3-inch IPS screen provides a convenient way to review footage directly on the dashcam. Pros: 4K front recording, Full HD rear recording, Starvis 2 sensor, 128GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, 24-hour parking mode, night vision, 3.16-inch IPS display. The ROVE R2 4K is a well-rounded option for drivers who want strong front camera quality, rear coverage, GPS, and convenient wireless connectivity. It strikes a nice balance between features and everyday usability, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. Number 4. 4K plus 4K Dual Dashcam. Now we have a 4K plus 4K dual-channel dashcam designed for drivers who want high-resolution recording from both the front and rear cameras. This model includes a 128GB memory card, so you can start recording without immediately purchasing additional storage. It also features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing faster file transfers, along with GPS, a G-sensor, WDR night vision, a 3.39-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking mode. The combination of 4K front and 4K rear recording is one of its biggest advantages, especially if you want detailed footage from both sides of the vehicle without stepping up to a 3-camera system. Pros: 4K front and 4K rear recording, 128GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, G-sensor, WDR night vision, large 3.39-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking mode. If your priority is high-resolution front and rear recording, this dashcam offers an impressive feature set. It's particularly interesting for drivers who want detailed footage from both sides of the vehicle without stepping up to a 3-camera system. Number 5. 70mm 4K dashcam front and rear. The 70mm 4K dashcam front and rear is a strong option if you want high-resolution recording with a modern set of smart features. It uses a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, giving you detailed footage from both ends of your vehicle. It also uses Sony Starvis 2 technology, which can help capture clearer footage in challenging lighting conditions. One of the standout features is 4G LTE remote access, which can let you monitor your vehicle remotely when the appropriate setup and service are available. You also get Wi-Fi 6, GPS, HDR night vision, voice control, ADAS, AI motion detection, and 24-hour parking mode. Overall, this 70mm dashcam is a great choice for drivers who want high-quality recording plus smart connected features. If remote access and AI-powered monitoring are important to you, this one is definitely worth considering. And that's it for our top 5 best dashcams on Amazon 2026. I hope this video helped you find the right dashcam for your car. Whether you're looking for 4K video, night vision, GPS, parking mode, or 3-channel recording, there's a great option here for different needs and budgets. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.